never kill them, got the option. I don't even hear them when they talk shit. Taking everybody in your top 10. I do not fuck with your fame, I do not play in the game. Not when you got this locked in, all in. Let them never kill them, got the option. I swear to God, y'all don't listen, you skim through. Been giving the best shit I can spit for y'all to listen to. And for the first time in my life, I ain't worried at the sight of these bills. I ain't tripping when the rent's due. Yeah, so now I'm taking a stance. I'm on some independent shit, never taking advance. I did the work in my life, up the fate and the chance. And now the future with this rap looking safe in my hands. Yeah, all of the critics keep on talking about unqualified and giving an opinion on some shit they really don't know how to do. Like I'm the way you give up on every dream personified. It's not constructive criticism if you ain't constructed too. Yeah, I'm rap smirk with a mouth and leaving rappers dead, drowning in the pool of my house. And trying to take over the game and melt the throne and the crown. Like I was put up on the earth to break the wheel and I'm out. It's going down, y'all been talking but don't know me. I'm not top 10, I'm 11 with a nosebleed. The galaxy been on the hump and I'm enduring it. The music is the baby protecting the Mandalorian. When I started writing down all the feelings and I'm recording them, then I'm for never leaving the home and then back and swerving. And I might be walking into a trap, but I'm never knowing if I'm killing it or taking potential I haven't blowing it. Yeah, taking hits, but I know the second I develop thicker skin to develop.